Hi Libra, this is Marishi Machao. Let's see, what is it that you need to hear from me right now? For the month of July 2022, Librans out there, Sun, Moon or Rising Venus, what is it that you need to hear from me right now? Your first card is the Queen of Wands. All right. Along with the Star card. Okay. Very intense energy. There is a spark of magic, okay, with these two cards together. It's almost like a connection with yourself, okay? There's something about you where you are embracing your inner magic, if that makes sense. You're coming through as somebody who is very creative, okay, in your field, okay? People seem to notice you, okay? Because again, the star, yeah, exactly. People seem to notice you. You are the star in your own show, that kind of a situation. You're projecting your marriage, sorry, why did I say marriage? You're projecting your magic into the world. Okay? And you are the star of the show, that kind of, you know, people enjoy watching you. There seems to be a very creative side about you. I don't know what it is. Either you play an instrument, maybe a flute, or something which you are creatively talented. Some of you draw, okay? It's almost like you're top of the game, whatever your craft is, okay? And people enjoy this magic within you, okay? You're in the spotlight. And you enjoy doing whatever it is, okay? Whatever is your magic, is your talent, you enjoy it. That you don't care about who watches you, okay? Wow. That's a beautiful energy. It's almost like whatever this is about, you are very much there is a soul in it, if that makes sense. No? It's almost like God's gift, just saying, because you're that good at it. What the hell? Some of you might be opening up to literal magic, okay? Like as in gifts from the universe. You know, you are experiencing the gift, okay? It's going to be fun, I promise you that. Some of you might be dealing with a Pisces or an Aries or an Aquarius. All right, Librans. What is your next card, please? It's almost like you're testing your magic in here, okay? And you're like, oh my God, this is so cool. That kind of energy, yes. A Chariot energy. It's like, you know, you're taking charge. You know, you feel like you're on top of the world when this happens, okay? You will be in control of the situation. Whatever this is opening up to you. You will be in control. You know how to nurture it. Okay? Yeah. Some of you might be dealing with a Cancerian. Can we have your next card, please? Librans out there. Can we have the next card, please? You got the Death or Rebirth card. So there is a transition which is happening in your life, which is opening up to you. Alright? You're stepping into this new phase. Alright. So probably this magic which I'm speaking about, this is something which is going to happen. Like it is going to be new to you. You know? Because you're stepping into that journey. Okay? Because they saw like you're like, wow, this is so cool. So it's not like, you know, I have been into this for like a couple of years now, quite a few years. So it's not like amazing for me. Like when it happens, I know, yeah. But then it's like it still amazes me when, you know, things, you know, day to day, like something which is, you know, it's interesting. But in your energy, I get it, like it's so new. You are amazed by the magic. You know, when you do it, you're like, oh wow, it's happening. That kind of, you know, it's a newbie energy. Okay? Because I'll show you the card up close. She's excited. She's thrilled and amused. Yeah? And then you have protection, because I'm looking at the Temperance and you don't know about it because the Moon card right behind it. So it's like you will be led onto this path, and I don't feel like this is for each and every one of you out there. Okay, Librans, a few of you, a couple of you, yeah. But yeah, let me know. Because it's a very brand new journey for you, okay, and an interesting one as well. And you need to know, even though it feels like you're alone on this journey, not really. Okay, you have got backup. I don't know who it is, but they're showing it in the form of the Temperance. You can see this person has wings behind him. Okay, so this could be, you know, somebody who's guiding you from the other side. You are not going to be aware of their presence, because if you got the Moon card right there. Okay, and it feels like it's not going to be an easy journey. You need to understand that. You know, you will be confused. Natural. Okay, because I see the Nine of Swords there behind the Moon card. There's something else as well. What is it though? The Four of Swords. It's like you need to give it time. Sometimes you will doubt it. Okay. I just thought about it, and I think you are the fourth reading. This is happening. All right. I think Pisceans, Aquarians, and somebody in between. Gemini probably. And now the Librans. And it makes sense because today is the new moon. It is the 20th June. And it's 4:25 a.m. at my end. So new moon can open up such energies. Okay. I feel like you are being awakened to something, which could be intuitive. All right, because with the Moon card as well. All right, it's not going to be an easy journey. You might have to put in the work. You need to, take it slow. There is a need for you to take it slow. I'm speaking to the Librans. All right. What is your next card, please? Librans out there. What is your next card, please? Ooh, look at the Seven of Cups. You will be confused. Okay? You will be like, what the heck? What is going on? That kind of energy. Alright? Because even with the Two of Pentacles, you're weighing it out. Am I crazy? Is this really happening? That kind of energy. Yeah? The Seven of Cups and the Queen of Wands. You don't understand it. Okay? You don't believe it. You're like, is it by fluke? Is it like a one-time thing? That kind of energy. Alright? Because Hangman behind the Two of Pentacles. Hold on to it. That's why I'm asking you to take it slow. Hold on to it. Okay? Hangman, you will get a drift of it. Gradually. Okay? You will be enlightened. Okay? Just give it some time. Seven of Cups. Confused. Very, very confused. You might want to, have it all together. Make it work within the week. But it doesn't work that way. Okay? Some of you might just be patient. Okay? Let it grow on you. Some of you might be dealing with a Capricorn, a Scorpion, or probably, what is it? The Hangman. Alright, moving on. Librans out there. What is your next card, please? Your next card is the Four of Wands. Whatever the case might be, you're going to celebrate this. Okay? You're going to own it. Okay? Some of you might let people know. Okay? Maybe like-minded people. That you're stepping into this path. And they will support you or rejoice, be happy for you. Because you're coming through as an Emperor. Some of you might be dealing with a strong Aries energy or probably a Taurus energy. I'm just going to break the deck here. This one. With the Seven of Pentacles, exactly what I was speaking about. Give it time. Okay? Nurture this gift. Put in the work. Wait for it to grow on you. Okay? It's like seeding a plant. You wait for it to grow. You water it. You watch over it. You wait for it to grow into a tree before you can have the fruit. Same process. Okay. Girl is tired. Alright, Librans, can we have the last card, please? Very interesting because I don't think so. I have got a Libran reading which speaks of gifts. But I do know a very good friend of mine who is very intuitive. Whom I look up to. Shout out to Amandine. Alright. Librans out there. What is your next card, please? What is your last card, please? Your last card is the Seven of Wands. There is a need for you to, again, with this Two of Pentacles, there is a need for you to protect your space. Okay? Even if you're confused, even if you doubt yourself, okay? Don't let people, mock you. Like, I don't think so. You're just making up a story. I don't think so. You have this ability. If they question you, you just don't care because it's not given to them. It's coming to you. Alright? And there is a reason for you getting it than them. Okay? So, even if people try to dim your magic, don't bother. Okay? Don't bother correcting them. Don't bother proving them wrong. It's just not worth it. Okay? You protect your gift because you are the Queen of Wands. Okay? You take things forward. When the time comes, they will believe. Okay? When you master your craft, when you become really good at it, they will get to know anyhow. Okay? So don't stress on proving anything right now. Because I feel like you're stepping into this journey. You're new to this. You're very new to this. Okay. That's it. Yes, again the Hangman energy. I think it's coming out the second time. All you got to do is give yourself time. Probably go within. Give yourself some space to work on this magic. Alright? Alone time. Your own space. All that. Okay? Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes for you to understand your gift. Okay? And don't stress on it. It's not like I need to meditate for 2 hours to make this work for me. I need to do. For me, as a person, meditation and me doesn't go alone. All right, I'm not the person with that kind of a patience to sit and be like a saint. No, but I have my means of meditating, which is pretty easy as well. By the beach and some other stuff. All right. Because you always need to have that space. Yes, and this is going to shake your world up. Okay, and I feel like this is coming in real quick. Okay, it is going to shake up your world, bring about that shift which you were never expecting. This is something which you never thought will happen. Okay? But it is happening. That's why I said this is not for each and every Libran out there, because that will be a little too much. Gifted people in the world. All people are gifted though. Okay? It's just you not being awakened to it. Okay? You just not knowing yourself completely. Alright? For some people it is easy. For some people you have to dig in real deep. Okay, to bring out that spiritual aspect. Yeah, but in your case, you're going to be a little shook. Okay, because the excitement within this woman's face is like, oh my god, I'm loving this, that kind of energy. Okay, so enjoy it. Okay, this is something which you should enjoy, and also when you're good at it, you can let people enjoy it as well. Okay, share the gift. Okay, that's it. I wish you the very best, Librans out there. This is Marishi, your Michelle Shaloka, and Alexa. Bye bye.